Hi Leos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Leos, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, Leos. If you want more clarity in your situation, guys, you can watch the pick a card love reading I have right after this general energy. So it may give you clarity or clear your doubts, guys. So you can stay tuned for that. So let's start with these cards. We have Death. Sorry, guys. Death, Ten of Pentacles in reverse, and Queen of Wands. So, in your situation, guys, in your work situation or in your relationship, there are some things happening today. There may be some major changes happening in your situation, and things are uh, some dramatic changes or drastic changes are what you see, and something which you cannot put a stop to, though you are trying hard, resisting the changes happening in your life today. You are seeing things moving in a very fast pace. These changes are so fast and it's really confusing. You don't know what to do. You are really stressed. Maybe you are crying. But whatever it is, guys, Leos, you need to understand that these changes are necessary for something new to come in your life. So that is the reason these changes are happening in your situation today, guys. So you need not worry, you need not cry for the way things are. Maybe today you will not understand the reason for the way things are going, guys, in your life today. But in future, maybe, or maybe after some days, you will understand the worth or the necessity of these changes happening in your life, and you will see this situation as something that has changed you forever, guys. So it may be a circumstance or it may be someone. So something is changing you for the better. So that is what I see, guys. And Leos, you are someone who is really dedicated and devoted, guys. So, whatever you take up, maybe the choices or decisions, whatever you make, you stand by those choices and you are always confident and you are willing to handle any situation because of your dedication. You are willing, you are cheerful, and that is the reason people like you a lot, because of your cheerfulness, your positive attitude in life. And today maybe there may be chances of something going wrong, just like I said. Maybe in your work some inevitable changes coming, so you are trying hard, but whatever it is, you are unable to make a stop or resist these changes. So these changes are necessary, guys, Leos. You need not worry for the way things are today. So it is all happening for something good to unfold in your life, guys. So you need to understand that. So you need space and you need a new thing coming in. So when something new is coming in, all that is not going well for you, all that is going to leave you today, guys, Leos. So that is the energy with these card, Leos. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for that pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards. This is your first card and the first crystal, the second card and the second crystal. So any doubts or confusions, you can just close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card or the crystal that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start with the first card after a few seconds. Okay guys, so now let's start the reading. Let's see what is the card. I will keep this card aside. So for those who chose this crystal and this card, we have Apache Tears. So with this card, it just means that letting go of the grief you are experiencing today, maybe of the past, and releasing all that pain and hurt so that you will heal from the situation today. So this crystal spirit, it does not stand for repressing your emotions or being afraid. It just helps you to accept the facts that what is happening today, and you need to release all that hurt you're feeling, all that heartache you are having, so in order to enjoy happiness and peace of mind in future, guys. So often when we are in some situation where things are not going as we planned, and we feel rejected, hurt by someone, or certain things are not working according to our expectations, we really feel hurt. So we may experience a lot of pain and hurt, but we need to understand that someday when we look back at this day, we will be simply smiling because we will know the import of this situation then, guys, and we will understand that rejection is God's protection in some ways. So this crystal spirit is calling you to recognize that even this loss or pain we are bearing today will become an unexpected gift, and it will help us to live our lives more fully, lovingly, and more meaningfully in future, and much more good things will come our way in our life. So we need to hold fast to the truth and see how destiny is unfolding for us in our life, guys. And we need to clear the space by releasing the past and washing away all that with our tears, maybe. And we need not hold on to the old emotions. So when we clear the space, something new is going to come in our life. So that is the energy with this card, guys. The Crystal Spirits Oracle card for y'all today. So thank you for watching, guys. So now let's see what is the second card and the reading with that card. So we will keep this card aside. So for those who chose this crystal and this card, we have Goose Girl, Theft. So for those who chose this card, guys, it just means that in your situation, maybe there is someone who has wronged you very badly, and they have tried to take something from you, something that is really precious for you, and they have wronged you very badly. You trusted them, but they are not someone to be trusted. But whatever you have lost, maybe even you have lost your identity, or you don't know what you are today, and you have no one to tell what has happened today. But whatever it is, truth will always shine through, guys, and justice will unfold at the right time. So you need not worry. So people who are envious are trying to take something from you, or they have already taken, or maybe for some of you, if you have taken something from someone which is precious to them, you need to understand that though you try very hard to hide what has happened, justice will surely unfold, and you can never keep truth from being revealed, guys. So at the right time, truth will be revealed. So if there is someone who has wronged you, you should understand that you are unique and your identity will never be lost, and it will shine through however hard you try to cover yourself up, guys. And you cannot be copied, and you're cared and protected for. And maybe people love you for what you truly are, your true nature, not for the possessions you have, not for the things you have, or how rich you are, or for your status. So you need to understand that. You need to understand that you are valued for your true self, not for the things you have with you, guys. So that is the energy with this card. For those who chose this card, you need to understand that truth will always be revealed, and you can never hide truth for a long time. So that is the energy, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. Watching this pick a card love reading. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.